Y'all, it's your boy. If y'all hadn't subscribed, man, click that subscribe button. It's right up there. Check your boys out. So I'm searching this internet and I run across all kind of stuff. Oh, I think it's Rihanna's birthday today. Shout out to Rihanna. Happy birthday. Man, it's my birthday today too, man. Happy birthday to me. And I appreciate y'all, man. Everybody for the gifts and all the good stuff, man. Appreciate that, man. I've been enjoying this whole day, man. But I run across Chris Brown's remix for Turn It Up. And guess what? Rihanna is on Chris Brown's Turn It Up remix. And then next thing you know, I run across her song Cake, and Chris Brown is on the Cake remix. Man, I think of Chris Brown as a talented dude, man. He's very talented, man. And Rihanna's a talented singer as well, man. Now, Rihanna wants to do a remix. I mean, Chris Brown is on top of his game, man. Maybe she want the top, man, and Chris Brown is right there right now, man. But I want to know what y'all think about this. I've been hearing all day on the radio. People been talking about, like a lot of the DJs been talking about. So is Chris Brown gonna get back with Rihanna? They gonna get back, man? I don't know, but I want to know what y'all think about that, man. They two adults, and hey, man, I don't know, man. But like I said, I checked out the songs, and that Cake song, wow, man, they was going in with them lyrics, man. If y'all get a chance, check that song out, man. They going in with them lyrics. And the Turn It Up remix, man, Rihanna's on that song. So what y'all think about this, man? I didn't think that, man, I didn't think that they will ever, do anything else together. But hey, you got two remixes from Chris Brown and Rihanna. Man, there you go. Tell me what you think, man. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. It's your boy, man. I'm out. Peace.